Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from where else? The balcony here at the New York Stock Exchange. And it is a beautiful, warm day outside. But for some, those taking the Long Island Railroad, the day was not off to a beautiful start. Sometimes life throws you a curveball. And speaking of curveballs, yes, I know the Mets got rocked last night, but it doesn't matter. Thank you, St. Louis, for the walk-off win against the Nationals. Therefore, 6.5 games still up on the NL East. And with that excitement, with that joy, I'd like to say the following. It's almost 4 o'clock. The market's there, about to close behind me. Stocks there on the upside. Let's go have a drink, shall we? It's time for happy hour here in the Big Apple. It's been quite the start to the month of September for the markets here on Wall Street as stocks continue to jump this Wednesday afternoon right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. This in an attempt to recover from the worst start to a September in 13 years. Now let's first touch on yesterday's trading session and start to September. Stocks closing nearly 3% lower yesterday, marking the worst first day of September trade since 2002. But today's attempted bounce comes amid relatively weak economic data that saw July's factory orders rise 0.4%. That was below expectations for 0.9%. In addition, the ADP report missed expectations as well, showing the creation of 190,000 private jobs, but expectations were calling for 200,000. At the same time, the U.S. dollar trading higher against its major counterparts, the euro near $1.12, the yen near 120 yen, and crude oil futures continuing their slide with front-month crude oil prices down $1.36, while gold futures are also down by $6.20 to $11.34.10 a troy ounce. And when you have all of that combined, you have yourself a session right behind me where 9 stocks have advanced for every 5 decliners. That's right at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this volatile trading session that's also marking the halfway point of the trading week. And on the corporate front, H&R Block posting a loss of 35 cents per share, 5 cents less than analysts anticipated. At the same time, revenue beating estimates, and the company also announcing a $3.5 billion stock buyback program. And if you want more corporate reports, you know what to do. Check out our earlier video of ModernWallStreet.com's market movers with our very own Lelda Smeets. And we're going to end on a sports note as we always do. The U.S. Open in full effect in Flushing, Queens. And talk about Flushing, Queens. Mets baseball still on a roll despite the loss yesterday. And I'm going to say this, safe travels home, and hope it's not as bad this morning for all of you that have to go out to New Jersey, especially Long Island from Penn Station. And with that stated, tomorrow's a Thursday. Cheer up, kick back, relax, and I'll see you guys in the morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.